Elon Musk revealed Tesla phone Model Pi sick prices and other features. Elon Musk has spent the last 2 decades accomplishing the inconceivable, changing the car and space industries on his own. Musk has never stated openly if he intends to enter the crowded smartphone manufacturing industry. Today we're going to talk all about Tesla's phone Model Pi and its features. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Investor Secret, your daily dose of wealth secrets. If you're interested in everything around big investors and their investment techniques, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the investor secrets, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the financial world. Watch the video till the end and make sure to hit the like button if you want to be a millionaire within the next 3 years. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Now let's get to our topic. No one can deny that Elon Musk is a uniquely enterprising person. Ideas for business and technological innovations just keep pouring out of his mind. His ideas dabble in vehicles, space, and satellites, just to mention some. But what is the next big thing? According to reports, Tesla, a US-based electric vehicle manufacturer, is expected to officially introduce the Model Pi phone later this year. It's unclear whether this will happen, but the tech rumor mill is buzzing with Pi rumors. In September, devdiscourse.com reported 2021 did not pass by Elon Musk. Every day in search engines, people ask the same question: is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes, we will see Elon Musk's smartphone soon. Another source, the Chinese edition of My Drivers, said that the phone would be called Model Pi, but did not say whether or not this was the final name. Experts believe that when the smartphone is released, it will usher in a true technological revolution. Competitor sales are expected to plummet, according to smartphone market analysts. Industry analysts and speculators are under the impression that the development of a phone would be part of a to-do list because of the philosophy regarding technology held by Elon Musk. He believes firmly in the Internet of Things, IoT, concept, and a phone to go along with the kinds of products he has been directing his ventures to produce would help greatly in that aim. The IoT concept basically proposes the interconnectedness of seemingly unrelated electronic devices under a unifying system, so that you can enjoy full automation and seamless task assignment to any device that you own. One could definitely see how a phone directly connected to your car or your internet connection device could help to that effect, and this is the kind of thing that a Tesla phone would tackle as one of its primary objectives. 5 reasons why you should buy one if it comes out. Number 1. Striking and innovative design. Antonio De Rosa, Tesla's smartphone designer, is a professional who has generated intriguing designs for Apple devices. The phone was designed using a similar design language used in the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model S. Many technology analysts have noted that the Tesla Model Pi resembles an iPhone 12. In contrast, others have drawn parallels between it and older smartphones with a slightly more rounded design. The smartphone has a few distinct design features, such as a casing with a color-changing covering. How? Scientists have constructed a photochromic covering that shimmers with diverse colors upon contact with different intensities of sunshine. Number 2. Powerful camera. The front camera is not visible in the video description of a presentation made by De Rosa. The front camera is expected to be placed beneath the display, according to experts. The developers are also planning to include a solar panel for charging. The designer opted to put the corporate logo and the model's name on the back panel. What about the camera? Well, it may boast a whopping 108 megapixel camera. That's definitely one to look out for. Number 3. Processing efficiency, storage, and exceptional connectivity. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 898 SoC chip and up to 2 terabytes of flash storage. It's also believed to be able to connect to the Starlink satellite and has solar charging technologies built in. Apart from satellite connections, the Model Pi is likely to have Wi-Fi, 5G, and potentially even Neuralink connection technology, Elon Musk's famed brain chip, which helps to link and transfer information between the brain, people, and phones, as well as other sophisticated technologies. Number 4. Built-in support for cryptocurrency mining. Users will reportedly be able to mine Mars coin cryptocurrency on their cell phones, which is rumored to be a signature type of cryptocurrency Musk hopes to develop for eventual users of his Mars colony. As a result, users will be able to mine virtual money on their phones. The phone will also be able to sync with other Tesla phones and devices without any issues. Musk has been vocal over the years in his support and belief in cryptocurrency technology, with its repertoire of advantages and features over traditional paper money. One can hardly fault him for taking this stance, as technology has touched and improved countless aspects of daily life over the decades, with the clear exception of money, which is a vital everyday commodity that underpins our very systems of living. He is clear on having a cryptocurrency for off-planet living, as paper money would be hard to use there. Releasing Mars Coin with a signature Tesla phone early on seems like a good way to get it ready with improvements by the time it comes for it to be used on Mars. Number 5. Robust security features. The Starlink project is currently under beta testing, with the network only available in certain areas. Elon Musk intends to build the network internationally as soon as possible. Experts have uncovered a huge flaw in the Starlink satellite internet system, which allows hackers to easily intercept Starlink communications. Elon Musk revealed that the company had created its own unique technique for encrypting customer data, which would be used end-to-end. These two factors, he believes, will ensure people's safety. The tsla hackers, on the other hand, were successful in intercepting the traffic. They employed a way of hacking satellite channels using the DVB-S protocol, after which malicious applications were introduced and attacks commenced. If you want to connect to Starlink using a smartphone, you'll need more serious security. You might, for example, utilize a VPN that does not track your activities. VPN benefits, according to experts, are numerous. The Model Pi can reasonably be expected to come default with options for VPN and encryption, as leaving this vulnerability open will seriously endanger the entire system and user experience, allowing hackers to damage Starlink, Tesla vehicle infrastructure, and more. Stage set for success if it is released. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone will not be the first satellite phone, as successful satellite phone businesses such as Thuraya, Iridium, and Inmarsat have done it before with stunning success. It would, however, be the first satellite phone compatible with Starlink, SpaceX's under-construction global communications satellite constellation meant to bring high-speed internet to even the most distant parts of the planet. The latency of a low Earth orbit satellite is substantially reduced, and it is predicted to achieve upload-download rates of 200 megabytes per second. Tesla is no longer an oddity in the auto industry, having been the first automaker to surpass $1 trillion in market capitalization and the fastest to do so. However, many experts believe that its journey is only beginning, since AI-driven robotaxis has the potential to transform the way people travel, resulting in the creation of a new multi-trillion-dollar market. Tesla's near-bottomless cash troves can effortlessly finance the design, development, and mass production of the Model Pi to the extent where they can potentially blow all the satellite phone giants out of the water with a significantly lower purchase and operating costs, even giving consumer phone companies like Samsung, Apple, Huawei, and Xiaomi a serious run for their money. That's what we mean when we say that Tesla can completely overturn the smartphone market. Tesla's engineers and scientists are also more than capable of seeing the product make the final run through to success. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Investor Secret. Bye.